Good morning, student. This is your subject teacher, Mridula Beast. Now your exams get over and summer vacation is almost start. So, I know that you all are feeling very happy, okay? But I think you must do something creative work in these 30 to 32 days holidays, okay? So, I have chosen an activity to you which is based on your topic which you have learned in these during this on April to May. Okay, so we have completed almost completed in maths two chapter, integers and fraction and decimal. So that activity which I have chosen, that is from integers. Okay beta, so it is your an art integrated project. So what does art integrated project mean? Means you have to show some creative work, you have to show your work in a creative way, you have to perform something in a creative way. Okay, you have to learn this, that what does art integrated mean. Understood? So you are going to, you are going to integrate your maths with art and craft. All right, so here you can write see there, learning by experience. It means what you have experienced. What does integers means? How do we add and subtract? How do we perform operations on integers? Okay, so we are going to show the little one part of integer by this activity. Okay, so the tagline, you have to read very carefully what I have written in the very above. After learning by experience, it is for you. Okay, so first we will read that content and detailing. Here I have written, you can see, here I have written content and detailing. Topic covered, integer board. Subject and art integration means we are combining maths with art and craft. Art and craft means maths topic is an integers, but in which way we are going to perform this activity? For that we need to learn that how to combine our maths with art and craft. So material required to perform this activity, that is brown scrap cardboard, carton, थ्रेड, पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स. पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स क्या होता है बेटा? सीजर को ही पेयर ऑफ सीजर बोलते हैं, क्योंकि सीजर में दो उसके वो होते हैं ना, दो क्या नाम बोलते हैं उसको, पार्ट, दैट इज इट इज ऑलवेज सेड दैट पेयर ऑफ सीजर. ब्लैक मार्कर फॉर राइटिंग, आइदर यू कैन यूज स्केच ऑल्सो. फेविकॉल गम फॉर पेस्टिंग, any color of chart paper, crayons color. Okay, so I have written any color of chart paper. Why I have written? Because you are going to perform this activity to using this cardboard, but I have written chart paper also. I have written this because you can set your own exemplary. Exemplary means there is no need to perform this activity in this way. If you have a better idea, sorry, if you have a better idea in your mind that you can perform this activity using chart paper, then you can use chart paper also. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to use that cardboard and scrap cardboard or carton. You can perform it on chart paper also. Understood? Using crayon colors, different colors, shading, etc. Okay, so and mode of presentation, 2 to 3 types of mode of presentation I have mentioned here. You can make PPT, video also. Sorry beta. Okay, if you want to present your integers through PPT, if you know that how to make PPT, then you can make PPT also. Okay, you can choose different slides, writing their integers in a different artistic way. You can go in word art and then you can write there. After that you can make PPT, but your PPT should not be more than 3 to 4 minutes long. It should be the length. It is a time restriction. Okay, so and methodology of activity, use of cardboard, carton to make integer, that is best for me. Okay, so it is a picture of cardboard. How to perform this activity? You need to take that how long cardboard you want to say you want to take, because कम से कम उसमें 10 नेगेटिव और 10 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स आ जाए तो लेंथ यू शुड डिसाइड. ओके, उसके बाद उसी के जैसा एक, जैसे एक ये ले लिया आपने एक कार्डबोर्ड, एक दूसरा और आपको चाहिए होगा. क्यों? इसकी लेबलिंग करने के लिए. जो मैंने ये ऊपर से लेबल का जो दिखा रखा है ना इसमें, तो ये ऊपर से पेस्ट किया हुआ है. ये इसके ऊपर पेस्ट किया हुआ है. उसके बाद लिखा गया आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहाँ पर आप देख रहे होंगे दो थंब पिन्स का यूज़ किया है. इस पर एक बारीक रबर बैंड लगाया गया और एक एरो लगाया गया. एरो फॉरवर्ड, आप जब अपना कार्डबोर्ड बनाएंगे तो उसके बाद आप जैसे कोई सपोज आप टीचर को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, समझा रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक वीडियो, देन यू कैन शो सम कैलकुलेशन रिलेटेड टू इंटीजर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, 2 + 2 - 3 equals to +2 - 3 equals to -1. So in this way this arrow, ये एरो कैसा होगा, शिफ्ट होता रहेगा. जो ये एरो देख रहे हैं ना बेटा, तो ये एरो कैसा होगा, रबर बैंड पे शिफ्ट होता रहेगा कि इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू शो -1 देन यू कैन टेक दिस एरो ऑन -1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव रिटर्न -8 + 5, it will become -3. Then this arrow you can shift on -3. It is for that if you are going to explain something, if you are making ppt, then in that way you can use this arrow also. Okay, so ये आपके प्रोजेक्ट को और भी ब्यूटीफुल बना देगा. ठीक है, तो इस एरो से आप डिफरेंट जो आपने कैलकुलेशन वहाँ पर शो की होंगी, सपोज यू हैव रिटर्न देयर -10 and +2 you have written there, then the sum will be -8. Suppose you have written 10 - 2, then sum will be 8. Then this arrow will present that resultant value. Okay beta, this is nothing but showing the sum of integer, subtraction, addition, whatever you are showing in your calculation. Understood? I hope you will be understand that how to make integer board. Okay, it is very simple, but there is no restriction. There is no restriction. If more better, a beautiful idea in your mind, then you can perform this activity on your own. Understood? You can use chart paper also, and if something better idea in your mind, then you can perform on your own way. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कोई भी रेस्ट्रिक्शन या ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आपने इसी तरह से परफॉर्म करना है. बट यस, ये चीज़ ध्यान रखना है कि टॉपिक वुड बी इंटीजर्स ओनली. टॉपिक इंटीजर ही होगा और आपका जो मोड ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, ये जो दे रखा है इसी पर बेस्ड होगा. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? सो आई होप दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, एंड डेफिनेटली आई नो दैट you will perform this activity enthusiastically. Okay, so now after some time I am going to take your class also. If you have any doubt, then you can ask there also. Okay beta, thank you, have a nice day and happy summer vacation. Take care.